another super nice video. Today I'm showing you how to assemble our new curved arch backdrop frame stands. Let's begin. The arches will come with a carrying bag for easy transport. They also include the assembly instructions, a pair of gloves, screws, a hex key, and a spare push lock pin. I'm starting by lining up the first piece to the base, making sure to insert the screw through the bottom so that the non-slip pads are facing down. Tightening the screws using the provided hex key and repeating this step with the other base. Now I'm assembling the remaining parts in the corresponding order. Parts 1 through 6 will complete the smaller curved arch. Once that is done, I'm continuing with parts 7 through 13 to complete the taller curved arch. These curved arches are a modern and versatile way to create a beautiful and romantic setting at any event. You can decorate them using luscious florals, balloons, draping, and so many other options to complement the rest of your decor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time!